has become blank, all physical locations are ensured in the system. Now the system stock and physical stock both are same. That assurance is completed. After that, we do the go live. We start the go live with outbound report, outbound pick list report we can generate. By pick list report, they will take it and get the stock, and based on the stock, they do the shipping process, and either they can start with outbound. Generally they start because it's a profitable transaction. Initially we get a lot of some errors like user mistakes and some program mistakes. The program coding is not that much proper. Then when the bulk transactions are happening, then we get some kind of errors. So we should ensure those things at the validations, everything we should be ensure during testing itself to avoid those things. Day to day we have to monitor, and users are getting some mistakes. They cancel by mistake, they create by mistake. We have to explain what to do for each issue and solution. Everything we need to explain that closely. We have to work in the operation hours and ensure to provide the proper support to the end users. Okay, we have to give the confidence system is stable. Until the system, initially we will have a crunch, like we need to we get some unexpected issues. Sometimes we get some unexpected program issues. All these things we need to do that. After that, the application support, the day-to-day whatever the issues they are getting, system will do the they create the tickets, and we have to support for issues. I will take a separate session to explain some of the sample issues of WM. Okay, this is about the overall SAP methodology, how we can do it. Okay, and I will stress some points like function specifications, support tickets in some other sessions. And thanks for your time.